Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Audi TT 180 horsepower. This two-door convertible has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Audi has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.